Hello grill enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the Uniflasy 18-inch grill cooking grates, designed specifically for Charbroil Performance gas grills, including 4 and 5 burner models like the 463,377,017 and 463,347,519. These grates fit perfectly with a range of Charbroil Performance series grills, ensuring a seamless grilling experience. Made from heavy-duty cast iron, these grates are built to last, resisting chips and rust while providing even heat distribution and superb heat retention for those perfect sear marks on your meats and veggies. The package includes 3 pieces, 2 larger grates and 1 smaller grate, collectively measuring 18 by 25 inches, making it a versatile fit for various grill models. Over time, grill parts can wear out and rust, but with these superior replacement parts, you can rejuvenate your grill to its former glory, offering a cost-effective alternative to OEM originals. To keep these grates in top condition, remember to scrape them after each use, season them with oil, and cover your grill when not in use to prevent rust. With the Uniflasy grill grates, you're not just replacing parts, you're enhancing your grilling experience to a professional level. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.